Imagine a single chip that could change the world as profoundly as the internet, electricity, or even the invention of the wheel. That's not science fiction anymore. In 2025, a breakthrough in artificial intelligence hardware has stunned the tech world and promises to reshape humanity. Today, we're diving into this new AI chip just changed humanity forever, what it is, how it works, and why it could redefine the future of work, creativity, science, and even daily life. First, let's understand why this matters. AI has already transformed our lives in countless ways. Personalized recommendations, smart assistants, autonomous vehicles, and even content creation. But all of these AI systems have been limited by one thing: computing power. Training massive AI models requires enormous data centers, energy consumption, and complex infrastructure. Until now, AI has been powerful, but distant. Only companies with huge budgets could harness its full potential. Enter the new AI chip. Developed by a leading tech company, rumors point to either NVIDIA, Intel, or a joint venture. It's being described as the first chip designed specifically to make AI think, reason, and act like a human brain, but faster and more energy efficient. Traditional processors, like CPUs and GPUs, were built for general-purpose computing or graphics rendering. AI models, especially large language models and generative systems, had to adapt to these chips. Now, the chip adapts to AI. Every design decision, from memory architecture to parallel processing units, is optimized to make AI calculations faster, smarter, and cheaper. Here's the first big change: speed that feels instantaneous. Before this chip, training a large AI model could take weeks or even months on a massive cluster of GPUs. With this new hardware, similar training can happen in a fraction of the time. Imagine cutting months down to days, or days down to hours. That's not just convenience. It fundamentally changes how fast AI can innovate. Researchers can iterate ideas faster. Businesses can deploy AI tools immediately. And startups without billion-dollar budgets can compete with tech giants. Suddenly, the AI playing field is leveling. Second, energy efficiency is off the charts. Training AI has been incredibly resource-intensive, consuming megawatts of power in data centers around the world. This chip introduces new architectures that mimic neural patterns in the brain, using less electricity per calculation. What does this mean for humanity? It means AI can scale without accelerating climate change. It means your smartphone or personal device could soon host AI models locally without draining the battery or requiring massive cloud connections. In essence, AI is going portable, personal, and environmentally sustainable. Third, autonomous reasoning is now possible. Previous AI systems could analyze data and respond, but only when prompted. They didn't plan, strategize, or act independently. This chip, with its neural-inspired architecture, allows AI to learn patterns, anticipate outcomes, and make multi-step decisions on its own. In early demonstrations, AI agents using the chip completed complex tasks without human guidance, from drafting research summaries, identifying novel solutions to logistics problems, to predicting outcomes in simulations that normally require teams of experts. Fourth, integration with robotics and IoT becomes seamless. This isn't just about computers anymore. The chip's architecture allows it to run on robots, drones, autonomous vehicles, and smart factories. Picture this: a factory robot not only assembling products, but optimizing its workflow in real time, learning from mistakes, and collaborating with other AI systems. Or consider autonomous drones that don't just follow GPS coordinates, but adapt to environmental changes, predict hazards, and make decisions mid-flight. The physical world is becoming AI-enabled, and this chip is the engine. Fifth, personalized AI experiences reach a new level. Current AI assistants can summarize emails or suggest music, but they are limited in memory and context. This chip allows AI to remember long-term interactions, learn preferences, and adapt to human behavior over time, without sending all your private data to the cloud. In early prototypes, AI systems running on this chip could hold context over weeks of interactions, recall relevant past conversations, and tailor responses in a way that feels almost human. It's like having a personal assistant that truly knows you, but runs on a chip no larger than a fingernail. Sixth, scientific discovery accelerates. One of the most immediate applications is research. With its massive computational ability, this chip allows AI to simulate complex systems in chemistry, biology, and physics faster than ever before. Pharmaceutical companies can test thousands of molecular combinations in hours instead of months. Climate scientists can run detailed models in real time. Engineers can design new materials or optimize energy grids with AI assistance that thinks ahead, anticipates problems, and proposes innovative solutions. In short, humanity can now solve problems at a speed that was previously unimaginable. Seventh, creativity is unlocked in new ways. Generative AI has already transformed art, music, and writing, but this chip takes it to another level. With faster reasoning, it can produce multimodal creative outputs, designing a film scene with visuals, dialogue, and music perfectly synced, or generating entire video games with rules, narratives, and AI-driven characters that evolve dynamically. Artists and creators will have partners that can collaborate in ways that feel intuitive and intelligent rather than simply mimicking existing patterns. Eighth, security and encryption get a massive boost. One concern with AI growth is cybersecurity. AI can break codes or generate highly convincing deepfakes. But this new chip also enables AI to create ultra-secure encryption, generate certified randomness for cryptography, and detect anomalies in networks faster than any human or traditional computer. Banks, governments, and corporations are already piloting it to protect sensitive information while simultaneously leveraging AI for advanced data analysis. Ninth, economic impact is inevitable and far-reaching. This isn't just a chip, it's a technological multiplier. Jobs in programming, research, logistics, design, and creative industries are going to evolve rapidly. Some repetitive jobs may disappear, but new roles will emerge. AI supervisors, model trainers, ethical auditors, and AI-enhanced engineers. Entire industries will see acceleration in productivity, innovation, and problem-solving. The AI chip is not just a tool, it's a new foundation for economic growth. 10th, ethical AI becomes more feasible. One of the biggest hurdles in AI adoption is trust. AI models that act autonomously require transparency and ethical oversight. This chip allows for real-time monitoring of AI decisions, logging of reasoning steps, and explainable outputs, making it easier for humans to understand and guide AI behavior. Companies can deploy powerful AI systems while maintaining accountability, opening doors for adoption in high-stakes areas like healthcare, law, and governance. Finally, what does this mean for humanity? We are entering a new era where AI is not just a tool, it's a collaborator, a partner, and in some ways, a digital brain extension. Tasks that once required teams of experts can be accomplished faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. Scientific discovery, creative innovation, and complex problem-solving are accelerating at unprecedented speed. Ordinary people could soon have personal AI assistants that remember, reason, and help in daily life. Industries are about to be transformed in ways that are hard to predict, But one thing is certain: the trajectory of human progress is about to shift. The key takeaway is simple. This AI chip isn't just faster hardware, it's a paradigm shift. It transforms AI from an assistive tool into a system that can think, act, and learn autonomously while remaining energy efficient, secure, and accessible. This has implications for everything from personal devices to global industries. If you made it this far, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. How do you think this AI chip will change your life? Are you excited or cautious about a future where AI can think and act almost like a human? For more fascinating insights on technology that is reshaping our world, make sure to check out the recommended video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next breakthrough that could redefine humanity yet again.